Hello, viewers. Today, we'll learn how to generate a white label SaaS agreement in just a few seconds using AI. To begin, follow the link in the description below to create an account on Legitt AI. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Make sure you're in the Contracts section. Next, click on the Create button and select Legitt AI Editor. Here, you'll have two options to proceed. Choose a pre-built template or generate a brand new contract using AI based on your specific requirements. If you select the Templates option, click on Legitt Templates and simply choose the template that fits your needs and customize it as necessary. For the second option, the AI-powered contract generator, follow these steps. Fill in the required details, such as the name of the agreement or contract, the names of both parties involved, the start date and end date of the agreement, the product, service, or context for which the contract is being created, the applicable jurisdiction for the agreement. By the time you are done filling all the details, your contract will be ready for review. If you need any additional clauses, click on the Add Clause option, name the clause, and it will create the content of the clause based on the contract you have created, and then you can insert it. Finally, when everything is complete, you can download the contract in Word format or edit it further in the Legitt AI editor and add your signatories and send it out for signing. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and see you soon.